Stay tuned and I'll tell you what I've been up to.
This ultimate poise, like I've been had it figured out. The go for something is that unless you're gonna really take the stance from the dot behind. Fuck that. Where your heart, nigga? Where your soul at? We got old school ways we expose that.
myself whenever you're around. You're my favorite sound. Favorite sound. I felt my pain drift away with November rain. Clear my soul and my mind. And you're the reason why. Yeah. You make no sense, make sense. So perfect it makes no sense. Like that empty cup you left in my fridge. And that sweet tea is sweeter than you. Sweeter than you, boy, sweeter than you. It feels like I'm dreaming. Dreaming. But my dreams are sweeter than you. 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 I feel so free, so serene whenever you're with me. Sweet boy, my soul, you're out of mind. I know the reasons why. You make no sense, make sense. So perfect it makes no sense. And I don't know what this is, but you're pure magic. And that sweet tea is sweeter than you. Sweeter than you, boy, sweeter than you. It feels like I'm dreaming. Dreaming. But my dreams are sweeter than you. 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 Nothing sweeter than your love. I'm falling way too deep now. Nothing sweeter than your love. I need you here. And that sweet tea, yeah, is sweeter than you. Sweeter.
What's up, y'all? Thank y'all for watching this episode of Friday Night Rides. I haven't been riding as much. I've been wanting to ride more than I have been this summer, but work and life has been insane. So I do have a real life job aside from this, and it's pretty demanding. So, but I really want to do more rides, and I'm going to be doing a lot more things. So, with that being said, I do have pretty exciting news. I'm going to be hitting the road, man. I'm going to be living on the road for the next 12 months, just traveling and meeting with people and getting to know the bike scenes around the States. So hopefully Canada as well. I'm going to be traveling my fifth wheel, and I'm just going to be enjoying life, man. Work has been insane. My career has been insane, and I haven't taken the time out to really enjoy what life has to offer outside of work. So I'm looking forward to being out there and checking out the festivals and things like that, and bringing the media to you guys. So I just want to say thank y'all for rocking with me for the past year since I just started the channel. It's been a fun ride. It's going to be even more fun. I think I hear some bikes coming right now. So yeah, it's going to be, I'm excited about it. It's going to be good times. A bunch of three-wheel motorcycles. Okay. So yeah, but anyways, I think I know those guys. That's the funny part. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and bring more media to you guys. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to check out the website, www.FridayNightRides.com. And also like, subscribe, share these videos. I'm trying to do something different. I'm trying to bring, more cinematic scenes and for the bike scene, because I think it'll look pretty cool. So again, thanks y'all for rocking with me. See y'all in the next video. Peace out.